To give you some benefits of using geothermal heating and cooling for your home. The first point I want to talk about is the financial benefits to installing geothermal heat pump, and this includes the operating cost. According to the EPA, geothermal is the most cost-effective way to heat and cool your home. This means that once the geothermal system is installed, it'll operate for less money than any other system available. Right now, there are many incentives to installing geothermal. For instance, there's a 30% federal tax credit and utility rebates available. We work in New Hampshire, Massachusetts, and Maine, and each state varies for rebates and financing options. So you can visit our webpage at ultrageothermal.com and look at the list of available things underneath the financing options. The second point I want to talk about is the health benefits to geothermal systems. There's no risk of carbon monoxide issues with geothermal as it does not use any type of fossil fuel, and most people have eliminated all oil and gas systems from their house once installing geothermal. Over the past 5 years or so, this has been the #1 reason for people to convert to geothermal. There's been an overwhelming number of house fires every winter due to wood chimney or propane venting issues. But worst of all, carbon monoxide poisoning has become a real threat in homes. And right here in the state of New Hampshire, it has taken people's lives without them even knowing it happened. Heating with geothermal can help you rest easy at night to know none of these are your concerns. One other point to the health benefit of geothermal, living in a home free of fossil fuels creates much less dust and settlement than comes from oil and gas systems. This leads to less asthma and less allergy situations, especially in elderly people and young children. The third point, most often considered by people when looking into geothermal, is the environmental impact. Geothermal systems use a temperature of the earth to heat and cool your home. In the summer, the ground becomes a heat sink, which creates a storage area for the heating of your home. And in the winter, the heat is now brought back into the home that is used from the heat sink. That's pretty cool, right? So now how does geothermal work if it isn't using any normal wood, coal, oil, or gas to heat the home? It uses electricity to circulate the fluid through the earth, and then the refrigerant process on the inside of the home is used to raise the temperature of the home through the heat pump. So the result in the end is you're going to have a little higher electric bill, but only a fraction of the cost that you normally spend on other ways to heat your home. Not sure if geothermal is the right choice for you and your family? Well, Ultra Geothermal can help you figure that out. If you're building a new home, then you need to have a heating system right away from the start. This is the perfect opportunity to look into geothermal and what the paybacks are. So typically on a new construction home, a payback is within 5 years. However, if you have an existing home and you're looking to retrofit, then the payback timeframes vary for each individual application. Typically we see 5 to 10 year payback on retrofits. Ultra Geothermal has extensive knowledge and experience in the HVAC field. We have been doing all types of heating systems for over 25 years. So call us and we can work together with you to figure out what your best options are. Our number is 603-868-7878 or visit us at ultrageothermal.com and we can find the right system for your installation. We look forward to working with you in the future. Thank you.